I had it one in it. That's
Good
fine.
job, man. I'll let you know about that.
Okay, and all you gotta do is go lift it off. All right, it's ready to fire right now.
What's that?
Pop no bag. Pop no bag. It's ready to fire. Put it up tight. Try to get your shoulder and then just grip. That pin. Yeah.
Alright, buddy, step up. Just put your gun up here. Go ahead and do the half.
It don't kick too bad.
Alright. First thing you do, no gun, alright? So make a fist in place of your gun here. Finger out. Go ahead and get your other hand up. Get a good two-hand standing position. Alright, so what I want you to bend each side. I want that trigger finger. The only is this trigger finger. Make sure you don't stay solid. 6 times. Go ahead. 1. Good.
Casing flying into the camera. Hey, girl.
4.
It don't kick that bad.
No, that's a good job. Okay. Go ahead and get the gun. We're going to dry fire the position.
So you got a good crew. Fairly good. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Ready?
One headshot.
Yeah, I like that. All right, no mag in the gun. You don't need that.